Hey everyone, welcome to How Fix It. In this video guide, I'll show you how to replace the back button module on a DualSense Edge controller. The following tools are required to disassemble the controller: Phillips 1 screwdriver, tweezers, and plastic opening tools. I recommend using a magnetic mat during the repair process, which is helpful in the case of the DualSense controller. Keep track of each screw throughout disassembly, so you can put them back in the right places. This will help you successfully reassemble your controller. And don't worry about losing any screws. All of them will definitely remain on the magnetic mat. I left links where to buy all the necessary tools in the description. On the back of the controller, push the latch to the side until the cover is released. Next, raise the release lever attached to the stick module and slide out of its slot. Remove the L1 and R1 buttons by prying them up using a plastic tool. Next, carefully remove this back panel. Remove 7 screws on the back of the controller housing, and 2 screws under the L1 and R1 buttons. Carefully remove the spring with the panel. Remove 2 more screws. Now you can open the DualSense Edge controller housing. Turn over the battery and disconnect the cable from the main board using a plastic tool. Press on this black part with your finger, then remove the 2 screws and the metal bracket. Remove the mechanical elements of the back button. Disconnect the ribbon cable from the module of the back button. Also, disconnect the wire of the vibration module. Carefully remove the back button module using a plastic tool. Now you can replace the back button module. In the description, I left a link to a replacement back button module for the DualSense Edge controller. Depending on the side of the button, the modules differ. Check the part number on yours and the replacement module. Connect the battery and check the contact with the mainboard. You were on How Fix It. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.